Hello, this is Gio. Hey, look what we have here. This is a key fob to a Ford vehicle. Now, if you have either a Ford Fiesta, Focus, Fusion, or a C-Max, you might actually recognize this fob because you may actually have this fob. Now, periodically, you do need to change the battery in the fob or you won't be able to open up your car or start your car. And so that's what I'm going to show you today. The first thing you'll need to know is that they do use the button batteries, the round little flat batteries. In this case, it would be the 2032 lithium batteries. And so go ahead and purchase at least one of those so you could replace the battery inside. And the other thing you'll need is just a really small screwdriver like this one. This is like an old screwdriver here, but it's kind of has a really kind of fine tip like that, and it's small and can get into a crevice. So you'll need something small like this. And so to open this up, it will take a little bit of skill and careful prying, but you'll notice it has two sides. It has the 3 buttons on this side and just the Ford logo on this side. So we want to focus on this side where the ring is. And if you kind of focus right in here, you'll see kind of like a seam right there. Now, again, this is on the top 3 button side. You'll see a little bit of a seam right here. And so we'll need to kind of pry that open from this end. Now we want to do this carefully. I could perhaps stick my nail in there if I could, or this is why you need a thin screwdriver to do this without damaging the actual fob. And so you kind of want to get in there, lift the corner. Now you want to do this kind of from the side, kind of like this corner or this corner. If you do it from the center, there is a little kind of a bar in there that you could damage. So you don't want to stick it in straight up on top. You want to do either one side or the other. And then you just kind of want to rotate a little bit to kind of pop it open. And there you can kind of see that little plastic piece right there. And just kind of pry it open all the way around like this until you can get the whole thing off. I might need a little bit more prying on this side. And you want to just do this carefully so you don't damage your fob. Scratch it up. And there you go. You have the inside of the fob, the circuit board on this side, and here's that button battery. Now, one thing you'll notice that it is facing up. It's the negative side. So the positive side is on the bottom. So just remember that. And you just want to kind of get this thing out of here. Maybe we'll need the screwdriver to kind of pry it up a little bit. And there you go. So this is, and you can see it has a plus there. So that would be the positive side is on this side. And so you want it the positive side down. So we'll remove this battery. We have another battery right here. Well, Energizer battery there. And again, this is the CR 2032 battery. And so we want to flip this over, positive side down. And here's the spring. So you might want to put it in like this and make sure it holds like that. And the battery's in. And so with the battery in, you just want to carefully take the 2 halves. Try not to touch this side with the little circuit board on it. Just be careful. Kind of fit them together. Again, there's this little kind of like part that sticks out there that fits in to a little area right there. But once that's in, you can just kind of lay it nicely flat like that and kind of look around, make sure that everything's lined up, and then just apply a little pressure until everything snaps together. And there you go. You have replaced your fob battery. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit that like button at the bottom of the screen and even consider subscribing to my channel. I have many more videos to come. Bye-bye.